Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I already did my eyebrows and now I'm going to start on my eyes. I'm going to use my Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in Medium Warm and my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Powder to set it. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel this year, y'all. So if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell and click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette, and I'm just going to take that shade and put it in my crease. Now I'm going to take that shade and put that all over my lids, and then I'm going to take the other shade and put it like right above my crease. It's like a shimmery type shade, but I was trying to use it like a liner, but it didn't show as well on camera. But yeah, that's what I used it for. Next, I'm using my House of Lashes eyelash glue, and then I'm going to use my Ioni Lashes. To make sure there's no gap showing, I'm using my Sephora eye pencil, and then I'm using my Essence waterproof mascara. Moving on to the face, I already moisturized. Now I'm using my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Now I'm using NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Next, I'm using the UOMA by Sharon Flawless IRLSkin Perfecting Foundation. And this is in Bronze Venus. This is a new foundation to me. The first time I'm using it. I think it's been out a while. But yeah, I just wanted to try it out, and it's an affordable foundation. for some more coverage, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. And I'm just going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. To highlight, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. And I'm just going to place this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. Now I'm using my Beauty Bay bronzer in Chestnut. And I'm just going to use this to bronze my face as well as contour my nose. Next, I'm using the combination of my ABA setting powder in Deep Peach and my Urban Decay translucent setting powder, just to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Next, I'm using my Beauty Bay blush in Coral. Now I'm using the I Heart Revolution Fruity Highlighter in Pineapple. For lips, I'm using Juvia's Place Candy Butter Gloss in Strawberry and Cream and my NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper. To set my face, I'm using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the sultry makeup look that I did. I'm definitely loving the foundation that I tried, the UOMA foundation. It's very lightweight and it provides medium to full coverage. So if you're looking for a new foundation that's affordable, it's definitely worth trying. Also, if you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. And I will see you on the next one. Please make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.